my stove before I make this Ottogi Japchae noodles. Alrighty then. I'm gonna wash my hands because I did touch soap. Let's see. So I can't speak Korean, cannot. So I had to Google Translate to find out what to do. So I gotta get my measuring cup now, because it calls for 2 1/4 cups of water. Question now is, where is my measuring cup? Huh. Found it. Just gotta move some stuff out of the way to grab it. Alright. I need to also get a pot. Hopefully this is big enough for it. Alright, 2 1/4 cups of water, or 450 milliliters. So I used to use measuring cups that were meant for dry stuff until I finally bought this one that's meant for liquid. Don't know why it took me a while to get it, but here we are. Alright. Alright, add the dried radish soup to the 450 milliliter of water. And once again, in Korean. So I'm gonna take a gander at that is this, because it's the only one that does not feel liquidy. Alright, gotta turn this on to, oops, wrong one. I'm gonna put it on high heat so it can boil. And a lot of times in this household we have extra bags, plastic bags that we can throw trash in. trash bag for whatever trash I end up having. Alright, so this says to put the dried radish soup thing, and then I have to bring it to a boil. And then after it boils, I gotta add the noodles. While I'm waiting for that to boil, I need to pull out meat that's meant for our dinner tonight. And defrosting. Defrosting, defrosting, defrosting. Oh, I should get a utensil to stir it. Alrighty then. Hey, come to the bathroom. Wait. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, I'm actually sleepy. Darn. Oh, excuse me. I know it's bubbling right now, but I like it. I like to see like the big bubbles, like it's gonna boil over bubbles. Now that's the one. Alright, now I add the noodles. And then it's said to let it boil for 5 minutes. forgot to turn on the bed. It says, when the noodles are cooked properly, drain them in a sieve and completely drain the water. I gotta clean this because it's a bit dirty. Let that drain out in the dish rack. Alright, stir this a bit so the noodles don't burn in the bottom. Grab a bowl, fold it down. Grab a fork. Nope, my bad. Grab chopsticks to eat it with. Ooh. 1 minute and counting. Alright, that's 5 minutes. Turn it off. Then I gotta shiv it through. Alright, water's completely drained. Transferred it to the bowl. At the same time, try and get the vegetables off the shiv. Oy vey. Oh my goodness. I don't know if it was meant to be. Alright, I still have some vegetables in here I need to take out. And then, basically, the noodles. And then it says to add the liquid soup. Easy cut. Liquid soup and the sesame oil. I don't really like sesame oil, but if that's what it calls for, I would take what I can get. So really strong. And then it says to mix well. So now the clear looking liquid now looks brownish clear. Let's try it. Ooh, hot. Windows off. Not bad. The sesame oil doesn't really overpower it, which I like. Well, this is my lunch for today.